Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to edit linear sketch pattern. So you can create new design, and as example I will draw rectangle with these rectangle tools and use spool tools to convert into 3D. The next I will create sketch in the top face. You can click sketch mode, select the top face, and you can draw circle like at this point. Click and sketch editing. Now if you want to create a linear pattern, you can click at this icon, or you can use the single linear patterns in this point. Okay, I will click, then I will select the circle objects. Now for the direction, I will use this edge. You can click. It will be create the new pattern. So you can set the count in it. You can set into 2-dimensional or you can 1-dimensional. So for count, like I will set into 4, and it will be changed into 4 in your sketch. So this is for the distance between the objects. Like I will set into 2. The distance will be automatically changed. So you can set again, like into 4, and like this. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to edit linear sketch pattern. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.